to it. Big!
Man, come on now, little daddy.
Come on.
Now tuned into the No Damn Filter podcast. This DJ Got Racks.
It's your boy Bam 409.
It's your boy Young Ward, man.
Alright, we need everybody that's watching this to subscribe, like, comment, send this to everybody you know. If you ever see us pop up, just share that to anybody you know. First person you see, just share it.
Repost and share it. Make sure you always watch the latest. Hit the bell so you get all the notifications whenever we drop. As soon as we drop.
Cause you never gonna know when we drop if you don't hit the bell.
Baby.
If you hit that bell, baby, you're gonna get a notification and boom, there you go. You can watch it. You can be tuned in.
Stay ready. You ain't gotta get ready.
Boom. Nah, watch the shit.
What's the damn deal, man? We back with a unboxing video.
Little unboxing, man. We got some new lights, man. We coming at y'all with some new lights. We gonna have better lighting. Even though we working with what we got some new lighting. It's gonna be way better, man. So we just wanna show y'all what we got.
You know what I'm saying? Slowly but surely, we climbing up there.
From Amazon.
Yes, sir.
Fuck that video. We hate him.
Throw me a couple dollars, Jeff.
You know what I'm saying? You feel like buying, you know what I'm saying, some equipment for us, you know what I'm saying, any kind of equipment, you know what I'm saying, you more than welcome.
I guess I pretty much burnt it after what I said. I ain't know we was gonna start fucking with them.
You burnt it for yourself. Yeah, they Gorilla glued this package together, so excuse me. Yeah. Damn Pizza Hut box.
Oh God.
Like you about to get some wings.
That shit came in like, you know, Amazon Prime, they ship your shit to you. They have Sonic the Hedgehog bringing you your shit. They got Flash bringing you your shit.
For real.
That shit come in 2 days.
Hey then. So you got your little motherfucking me a thank you card. Thank you for purchasing.
Thank you for spending your
Oh,
goddamn money.
and the correct name for these are the EMART LED video light.
I don't know if you can see that. I'm shaking.
On Amazon.
My sugar low right
See? EMART.
Got high blood pressure.
It's, these are tripods. They come in 2 in a pack.
Two in a pack, come with tripods. It's like a square.
The fuck is this?
Okay then.
Jesus Christ.
Got another fucking need. Alright. We got a little origami going on in this motherfucker. These bitches come in blocks. Shit.
Nice lit tripod. Yeah,
Lenses.
oh yeah, these hoes come with lenses you can put over that motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Give you a different shade of light. You know what I'm saying?
It's like a little giraffe you heard.
We got what's this?
Small body, long neck.
Orange or amber, whatever the fuck you want to call that. We got blue. We
Got
got
somebody
red.
named Amber. But anyway.
I know a lot of bitches named Amber.
Yeah, y'all, they got, you know what I'm saying?
Who know my bitch?
Nigga.
Okay.
You don't know my bitch.
They come with the bread tie on this whole. We tie the loaf of bread up.
You know niggas be. They don't even tie it up. They just twist that motherfucker and fold it up with a bottom.
No, they hold up the plastic like it's a gram.
The sweet
Oh,
don't
you so
come.
long, my boy.
The sweet don't come with it. You know what I'm saying? It's sold separately.
Yeah.
But
You gotta get your own sweets, baby.
yeah.
Gram separately.
Damn, it come with a switch on this hoe.
Yes, sir.
Fuck. That shit hard.
Niggas professional now?
That
Niggas
hard.
say, cue the goddamn lights?
Yeah. What the fucking we need our verified check.
Motherfucker.
Verified and certified.
Verified. Been certified.
Them bitches 10 foot tall.
Oh,
I
yeah.
am, how do you say, having trouble?
Got your little lenses.
How that beat screw in like that.
Damn. Bitch!
Big. Cuz.
You can reuse this, put a little serum in this. Whatever you want to do, you know what I'm saying? Don't be throwing away them plastic, you know what I'm saying? Recycle, reuse, whatever they be saying.
They know what they be saying.
You know what it is.
Okay, you got this little doohickey right here. Whatever the fuck this for.
Hey.
These hoes are good size.
And we're fucking up.
Shit.
Oh, they got the white lenses already in there.
Pocket pad.
Oh, they got different colors.
Orange, red, and blue.
Fuck, you gotta plug this shit into, man.
I wish they had a instruction manual. Well, parts be going and shit like that. I guess you figure it out on your own.
I guess you gotta plug this shit into a wall piece.
Jesus Christ.
Shit, what the hell is this? That's probably for you to just put the light on some smooth shit.
Oh, okay. It's only one of them? Oh, it's another one. Ah, okay. I got you.
Oh.
They say,
You look at it. Yeah, we cooking with some grease right now. Y'all thought we was bougie then.
Cooking with that McDonald's Sprite.
Oh yeah, we cooking with that holy oil now.
that shit burn the back of your throat.
Looking for our fish with that motherfucker.
They got.
That nigga say,
See, if you don't know English, they got it in Dutch, Espanol, Italian.
Shit, German,
On me.
Shit.
Swahili.
Nazi.
Turn that bitch on.
Told y'all, man, that's them floodlights.
Yes, sir.
Jesus.
Bring
Blind
the
the fuck
fish.
out their ass.
Hold on, let me see. Let me see how I look on the camera.
Ooh.
God. Well, you were eating some lettuce last night, huh? See, all in his teeth.
I got a book in my shit.
Nah, you good.
Hell nah, my boy.
Hell yeah.
Nigga say, hey, let me get some, my boy.
Hey, tell your partner if he got a book in his nose, man. Stop being a hoe. Shit.
Y'all really dirty.
Don't do no weird shit and try to get it out for him. You know them niggas be,
Bitch.
them niggas be real sus.
You see
Don't
that
blow
bad
in his eye
motherfucker
either.
right there, man?
Niggas real sus. Real sus. Fucking sus. I still don't know what the hell he is.
That's what I'm saying.
Hey!
Uh-huh.
Cooking with fish grease.
Close these hoes and see how it look. Like we're goddamn tailgating?
That's the floodlights, bro.
The boys already getting down on the field, boy.
Okay. Oh, you can adjust. Okay, hold on, my boy. Damn, I done kicked the camera and shit. Oh, you can adjust like that?
This shit hard. I ain't gonna hold you. EMART.
$34, man.
Go ahead, get you something for real.
You need some.
Make it real cool up in here. Change the temperature.
These the little tripods. You know what I'm saying? If you, I guess,
see my ass.
you want to put them holes on the table. You know what I'm saying? Be dead in your damn grill.
Take popping.
EMART, man, fuck with us.
Now, for real. See, send us some free lights this time.
What the fuck is this for, man?
Man, send us our $34 back. With
Yeah.
that, buy some more.
They need some instructions.
Yeah,
Something.
yeah. You might have to send me $250 each. Bitch.
Doohickey right here.
Hell yeah. Shit.
Bitch.
We're gonna have to go back on YouTube and see what the fuck
I really want to see how the fuck these hoes go.
slide them hoes in, really.
Let's slide them hoes in, man. Intermission right quick, man.
Do the little fast forward on this bitch. We need to be moving all fucking fast.
real.
God.
Good?
Yeah.
Nigga feel sexy. Look like I'm about to do the silhouette challenge. Fuck.
The damn table talk. Niggas finna start name dropping in
This is the red light. If you didn't know, I don't know how we looking right now, but y'all know how we looking. Tell us how we looking, baby.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? You wanna fuck, let us know.
Shit. He's straight to the point.
You know what I'm saying?
He already said he can't have no fine friends.
Sure can.
All his female friends have to be trash.
Cause I wanna fuck.
Cause he gonna fuck. He gonna burn it.
I'm a
Jesus.
burn it myself. You ain't gonna burn it. I'm gonna burn it. Don't be my friend, man.
Yeah, they ain't got no pictures or nothing in this house, so
These hoes is bright.
I guess you're gonna have to
Get
have
a
some
little
common
tour
sense.
through all the fucking money.
Well,
For real.
time for the orange light. I mean, damn, blue light.
Put that orange light on, that means it's time to get shiesty.
Put that blue light on, shit. You crip.
You rolling 60.
Alright now, like 1, 2, 4. We have a gang of members.
Man, this whole damn right.
Oh, damn, you're cool. Make it cooler again.
Gotta put a little tilt on that motherfucker, you know what I'm saying?
This the Nipsey blue, you know what I'm saying?
This that cool?
What?
Hey, what's these little
Yeah.
these little arrows on this motherfucker, man? Oh, you can dim them hoes.
I'm fucking with that.
Hey man, if you watching the if you want to get some EMART LED video lights to make your little pornos for your OnlyFans,
Yes, sir.
you can dim the lights and have it real sexy like. Or you can brighten it up, you know what I'm saying?
So you can see that booty hole.
Oh God.
See right in the ass.
Y'all be finger popping each other's assholes.
You gonna see right where you stick it.
And where you licking.
You want to see that booty hole? Try to brighten this up on your lights, man.
I feel like this will do it.
Oh, so you can like revolve doors.
Revolve door.
You gotta put it on that little pivot here.
You gonna have to fuck with this whole
You
little
got to
bit.
put it on her little pussy here.
The Quiet Place Part 2 dropped today. Y'all go watch this shit, man.
Oh, this the blue light. If y'all didn't know, it's the blue light.
See, this is the titty, and this is the, you know.
This the
So what is
areola?
this for?
Yeah, the nipple.
Yeah.
Oh, this okay. Little swivel.
You can set the light on this, you know what I'm saying?
Damn. Boy, y'all got some doohickeys going on.
Okay then.
I'm digging that.
That'd be some shit. We got this shit hooked up completely wrong.
We just made up some new shit
They
there.
don't come,
You gotta loosen it up so you get a little, yeah.
they don't come with no instructions.
Yeah.
They just want you to just find out. Shit.
Yeah, we just figured it out for you, alright? This motherfucker screw on the top. And you put the light on the top of this motherfucker. Little 3-piece suit.
You know what I'm saying?
Damn, man.
It's cold looking there, man.
Man, let's try these orange lights, man.
It's a shicey summer, yeah. Buck you for your llama, yeah. Oh no, I definitely like this shit better. You know, white light. That shit gonna go good with our
Our melanin.
Yeah, that shit look better. Man, you need to shave your fucking face, man.
Shave your ass.
Shave in my ass.
Yeah.
That too.
This goes for you niggas that just shave your dick and your fucking thighs be hairy as shit.
Niggas that shave only the front of their dick. Don't get the sides.
No,
or
he
the
gonna
back.
shave the top and leave the fucking forest on the neck of it and shit.
Yeah.
The forest on the neck of it.
How do you say your base?
But the body of it? The bed?
Yeah, man. We done hooked y'all up.
These some nice little lights, man. We're gonna put them to use. You know what I'm
Man,
saying?
tell them we sent y'all, man. They probably gonna
Oh my
fuck
God.
with
They'll give you a little discount code. You know what I'm saying?
us. Discount code for the full price.
God.
Yeah. So
Yeah, you put the little doohickey on here, screw this motherfucker on. You get this.
you get your swivel on, man.
Tighten that bitch up.
What they do is this plus this and you equal this.
There we go.
For you dumb niggas.
Yeah, just had to show y'all what we working with. And if y'all want to get these lights, y'all can. And how easy it is to put these bitches together. You know what I'm saying? If we can do it out in the bitch, I know y'all can do it.
Yeah, if y'all want some lights, need some good quality lights for, you know what I'm saying, in your little budget.
Yeah, we just put y'all on some game real quick. You know what I'm
Yeah, we're
saying?
doing some upgrades, so
Yeah. And that's what we got for y'all. So go ahead and check the video out.
And we out this motherfucker.
DJ got racks.
Your boy Young Ward.
bam for now.
We got this bitch.